Introducing the Pigeon Amaze Plus electric kettle, featuring a 1.5-liter capacity and 1,300 watts of power. It has a stainless steel body, an auto shut-off feature, and is perfect for boiling water with a sleek silver finish. The Pigeon Amaze Plus electric kettle is highly rated with 4.0 out of 5 stars from over 172,000 ratings and is an Amazon's Choice product. Over 20,000 units were bought in the past month. The kettle features a classic design with a mirror polish that adds an aesthetic touch to any kitchen. Its 360-degree swivel base and standard power cord ensure safe usage and convenient storage. The classic mirror polish of the appearance makes this electric kettle unique and aesthetic, matching any kitchen design. The 360-degree swivel base allows for safe and convenient use. This cordless and BPA-free electric kettle is convenient for any kitchen counter or buffet. It is easy to store and use when preparing and serving beverages. Enjoy a fast boil with the 1,500-watt electric kettle, which can heat up to 1.5 liters of water in just 5 to 7 minutes. Start your day with instant lemon tea, green tea, or hot water. Cleaning your electric kettle is easy. Use white vinegar, baking soda, water, a cleaning bottle brush, and a microfiber cloth to keep it looking new. Customers appreciate the kettle's ease of use and quick water heating capabilities, offering good value for money. However, some cons include mixed build quality, reported lid breaking, and some durability concerns after a year.